In today's video, I am going to teach you how to study using Notebooklm. To begin, open Notebooklm in your web browser. Once you are on the main page, look for the button labeled plus create new and click it. This creates a fresh notebook, which is where you will collect your study materials and work with them in one place. Starting with a clean notebook helps you stay organized by topic, course, or exam. Next, you will add your sources. Click Upload, then choose the materials you want to study from. You can bring in PDFs like lecture slides or textbook chapters, paste in URLs for articles, or connect files from Google Drive. Try to upload only the most relevant documents for the specific topic you are studying. Keeping your sources focused makes the responses more accurate and makes it easier to review later. After your sources are added, take a moment to look to the right-hand sidebar. You will see a section called Studio. This is where Notebooklm offers tools like Audio Overview and Video Overview. These overviews can help you shift from passive reading to active learning by presenting the same material in another format. Use these options when you want a quick recap before class, a refresher before a quiz, or a way to reinforce what you read. Now you are ready to study actively. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the chat box. Type a specific question into that chat box to query your sources. Keep your questions clear and focused. For example, ask for definitions, key takeaways, comparisons, or a short explanation of a concept based on what you uploaded. This approach helps you practice retrieval, which is one of the most effective study techniques. As you get useful answers, save them for later. On any response, click the Save to Note icon. This pins the information to your board so you can build a study set of the most important explanations, summaries, and examples. Over time, this becomes a personalized review sheet created directly from your materials that covers everything you need to know.